Hi. Hi. This is my friend Valley. Hi. And I am putting this on my face, and hopefully it's like YouTube, so that's pretty embarrassing because. Hi. I'm sorry I look like crap. I just came from the pool, so like a couple hours ago. So my hair's like. Hold on. Thank you. You're welcome. So this is Valley. Her birthday was a couple of days ago. So happy birthday! Yay. She's my mom's best friend's daughter. So yeah. And she just turned 13. Teenager. Watch when those hormones come. When you be paying their body, but you can't get off in back. Okay. So, what was your present? Awkward heroin. Those are the awkward trouble. Wait, yeah. Hold the camera. It's your foot. Where's my finger? I probably, you guys might think this is so weird because this is weird and pretty random. And I don't know if I should put this on YouTube. I'm kind of wondering now. And my breath smells like Snickers because I was just eating Snickers with her. And then, oh, my dog wants to say hi. Come here. Come here. It's my dog. Yeah. Hi. I just love her. Go away. That was not rude. You just playing music in the background. Oh, yeah, this is Justin Bieber. No. He's 7. Okay, so what is the date today? Today is, what's the date? Damn it! It's this, it's June. I forgot the month. Like, I understand the date, but like the month,